Shein J&T Express, why your package is stuck, and how to fix it fast. If your Shein package is being delivered through J&T Express and the tracking hasn't moved for a while, don't panic just yet. A package showing the same status for a few days doesn't always mean it's lost. One common reason is that the package is still moving between sorting centers. Sometimes, the tracking system doesn't update immediately, even though the parcel is already on its way to the next location. This can make it look like nothing is happening when the package is actually moving. Another reason could be customs or a delay at a local facility. If your order is coming from another country, it may take extra time to clear customs before J&T can continue the delivery. The first thing you should do is check your tracking number carefully. Look at the latest tracking update and see which location your package is currently showing. You can also check the same tracking number through J&T's official tracking system to see if there's a newer update. If the status hasn't changed for several days, contact J&T Express or Shein customer support. Give them your tracking number and explain exactly what the latest tracking status says. Having the order number ready can make the process faster. Also, make sure your delivery address and phone number are correct. If the courier can't contact you or there is an address problem, the package may be delayed.